This video will demonstrate how to use the latest UPS shipping dashboard feature, UPS Access Points for Merchants. Access Points for Merchants is a feature that allows you as a merchant to select the closest access point to a customer's address. This works for platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or BigCommerce. In this example, we'll use Shopify. First, navigate to your Shopify store admin and create a shipping method, including name and fixed price. Here it is named, UPS Access Points, Ship to Closest Access Point. This will be displayed to customers during the checkout so that they can select the shipping method and complete their order. As soon as the order appears in the dashboard, you can navigate through to the account section and enable the UPS service mapping option. Once enabled, it will automatically activate the UPS Access Point feature for the specific shipping method selected. You can also define the standard UPS service that you want to use to deliver the package to the UPS Access Points. When on the orders screen, you can filter orders by the shipping method. Select the shipping method on the Filters drop-down menu and click Apply to set the filter. When you create the shipping label for the order, you will see that the Access Point feature is enabled. Based on this order's address, the closest access point is pre-selected, and you can finish creating the shipping label. Your buyer will receive an email from UPS with the UPS Access Points address where they can pick up the package. And that is the new UPS Access Points for Merchants feature. For more tips on how to use the UPS e-commerce shipping dashboard, subscribe to this channel. And, if you are interested in even more features to optimize your workflows, get in contact with us at ecommerce.help/UPS.